Good morning, my dear friends. Today I bring for you a new video, a small video for LV switchgear, how we can give connection and how we can operate and how we can enter the switchgear and how we know that where it is supply go and where it is coming. So today I will show you in this video. Please watch my video full and give us the comment what you have thinking. If you have any question, please come to below in my comment section. So I will try to give you your question answers. So I hope this video will give you like for beginner, for everybody which is still is studying and still is in the new field. So I will explain you everything for that technician what they need for this informations. So this is a quick base information. Okay, this is each industry they have LV switchgear room, empty switchgear room. Okay, everybody should to be know which is related to in this field. So today I will explain you in a small demo video. To please see this one. I am discussing about this one LV switchgear room. So this is the LV switchgear room. I will make you full visit today, so you know that where is the supply coming and where it is going. Okay, so when we came in the MV switchgear room, you have to must be find where it is the incomer. Okay, so different breaker, different transformer have a different incomer. So I will show you how many incomers and how much is outgoing there. Okay, so I will explain you here. Please watch this video carefully and remember this what I am saying. So let's we go. Here you can see this is 2 breaker LV switchgear. Okay, they have a capacity. I will show you. Here you see this is 4000 ampere and here also 4000 amperes. Okay, this is electronic kit. Okay, for they are controlling the under voltage, high load and overload, underload. So they will be calculating. Okay, in rush current, they everything they are, when they finding any some short circuit and instantaneous current, they will be tripping, given to command for this inside the shunt coil. Okay, when the breaker will be getting tripped. So this is cubicle bus integrated Siemens breaker. Okay, this is the model number WL34000H. Okay, so there is a 2 incomer. I will show you here. Number 1, number 2. This is 2 incomer coming. So here you can see indication arrow mark. So it means this is incomer. Okay, so here it's going out. So when they are going out, this is bus bar. Okay, here you can see that here is the bus bar. So when you come with this along this bus bar. Okay, here you see this breaker. This is incoming, outgoing. This is outgoing. Okay, it is going here. Here you can see it is 800 amperes. Okay, because this 4000 we have to distribute below this 4000. So now you can understand how much this ampere. This is 800 ampere. So this feeder, it is going another feeder to feed this 800 ampere load. Okay, so this is the DB box where it is going. Okay, TDBT BEP01. Okay, so same I can see long bus bar is going this way and it's going there. Okay, same I will show you here 630 amperes. So different breaker have a different capacity for different ampere they are setting. Okay, each panel when they are building, they make a standard how much equipments they are using. So as per the equipment slot, they will be suggest the breakers, main incomers. Okay, so this is another outgoing. So outgoing, here you can see that 2 incomer and there is 1 outgoing, 1 outgoing and 1. This is, have you know this correction, the factor, the positions. So this is the power factor correction. This is going. Okay, you know this is breaker where it is going. So this is output is going directly power factor control. Okay, power factor controller panel where they are have a multiple parallel capacitor bank. So this bank is when they see it is low, the lagging power factor, they inject the capacitance. So they inject the capacitance, so it will be going near the unity 0.98, 0.98. So keep the system stabilized, okay, because you see it will be going, it means no, I will show you this panel. So this is coming from this bus bar, okay. This breaker have how much capacity? How you see 1250 amp, 50 amps. So this breaker output I will show you where it will go. So output it will go in this place, is going inside, okay. This is back side. I will show you after that how we can connect. So it is going, one breaker is there, isolator, okay. This is isolator. Here it is the breaker inside. You see this one, a contactor, main contactor, it will go there. After distribute there, and downside have a capacitor bank. So here I can show you. Yes, okay. Now you see this one, principal, okay. KVR 0. Now minus, okay. Now they are injecting, okay. 14 kVr they are injecting, okay. Now so this make power factor near the 0.97, okay. Minus when it is near, it will be make unity, okay. So there is two panel, okay. Here is the I will show you how much this one, 950 kVr capacity, this one, okay. 712.550 kVr, okay. Step one, okay. Here you can see this one, 9 multiply 100, okay. 50 plus 9 multiply kVr 30 panel. This is the two panel we have, program 1 2 2, okay. This is we have to follow this sequence, okay. 1 2 2, it means one bank, 2 2 bank, 2 2 bank. It means two bank here, two bank here, one bank here. When they have need less power factor controlling, so they will be use only one. When they increase the capacity, so that it will go to the next two. It means three bank will be distribute the KVR to what they have requirement, because sometime need more, sometime high. So it will be this controller with Lifasa master controller VAR. So this controller suggests they are measuring mean time of the power factor, and what they have a power factor is lagging, so they will be injecting the capacitance in the system. It means parallel, same like going this capacitor connection in this same like parallel, and after this same power it is going their capacitance in this breaker. I will show you there. Here you can see. So it will come here. So it will come here. So it will go there. Now you can see here ampere. It will going injecting. So when they are injecting, so they are going to, you know that the power factor is when they have a power factor is mostly lagging and leading. So our efficiency of the consumption, it is more and high. So this is not good. That's why we have fixed this capacitor bank. Okay. So I explain you outgoing, here going. Okay. Bus bar is going still. Have you seen there? Bus bar going still where? After bus bar going downside. Okay. Here you send couplage. It means bus coupler. This is bus coupler. It is coming here. Why we given bus coupler? I will show you here. Okay. Bus bar going until there. Okay. Last panel. Okay. How much is the incoming? I will show you. Okay. This is incoming. This is outgoing. This is another outgoing for the another panel. Okay. So here is, you see, this is the ampacity 1250 amperes. Okay. So here you can see one phase how much is going, 183, 188, same like this. Okay. So this is for generator. Okay. We have one group, one generator which is connected downside the cable, and still is off condition. When we have a fail the power from our power station and something like, so we have to give generator directly 415 volt. So it will come there and directly inject in this line. Okay. In this line, okay, in this line is bus bar no have a problem, but when we have to need to feed this line, we have to make couplage. This couplage, if it will be on, so supply it will be go in this way. Okay. Here it come, here it will go. Okay. Now you understand. First you enter the LV switchgear room, you have to find the incomer. How many incomers? Now here you can see only 3 incomers. 2 incomers there and 1 incomers here, generator. Okay, 2 incomers from grids. This for our generator. It is not continuously working. When it is no have a power, when we have start the generator and we have to make it on this breaker. So after supply it will go manually. So okay, so need be sure, because this is have an interlocking between these 2 incomer and this also bus coupler. Okay, when they have a all it is open condition, after we can make this breaker on. Otherwise we cannot make this breaker, because control supply or it is interlocked from L1, L2 and incomer 1, incomer 2 and this is couplet. When they all have a circuit supply healthy, after we can this one breaker we can close. Okay, so this is the sequence of the LV switchgear room. So mostly here it is, you can see the voltage, ampere meters, and this one your kilowatt, how much consumption, this is everything they have. And inbuilt they have the relays inside. I can show you. Okay, here you can see here a lot of relays. Okay, here you can see phase failure, under phase, under voltage, this overlay it is, and upside is the master trip relay. Okay, all is connected. So this is, you have to see the drawing how it is working. Okay, I will share you. So this is the sequence, where it is supply coming, where it is go. Thank you.